Welcome. Today, we're diving into Furuno radar and sonar, advanced navigation solutions by Concord. This powerful marine technology can truly transform your time on the water. At Concord Marine Electronics, we've spent over 30 years equipping vessels with trusted marine electronics. With our e-commerce platform at shopconcordelectronics.com, getting the best Furuno gear is easier than ever. Why choose Furuno? With over 70 years of innovation, they lead in radar, sonar, and autopilot systems. Trusted by recreational boaters and commercial mariners alike, Furuno delivers safety and performance at sea. Check out the Furuno Radar Array for long-range precision and dual-range scanning, or the Furuno DRS-4W wireless radar. Monitor your surroundings from your iPad or iPhone, hassle-free. Looking below the surface? The Furuno FCV628 sonar offers sharp, high-resolution target separation for sport fishing. For a broader view, the Furuno DFF 3D sonar gives you a real-time display of fish schools and seabed structures. At Concord, we don't just sell electronics, we install them too. Buy online and apply 10% of your equipment cost toward professional installation by our NMEA-certified technicians. Enjoy expert guidance, seamless integration, and lifetime customer support. Explore Furuno radar, sonar, and navigation tools at shopconcordelectronics.com or call +1 954 779 100. At Concord Marine Electronics, we deliver performance, safety, and peace of mind powered by Furuno, powered